Hello everybody, it is Pixel, and today I'm going to be making a pretty easy Dr. Pepper pulled pork. And for that I'm going to need any brand of sweet barbecue sauce that you prefer, 1 can of Dr. Pepper, about a tablespoon of pepper, garlic salt, and I'm choosing a caramelized onion burger spice, and I'm also going to need 1 onion, which I left over there. But it's in the recipe, don't worry. Alright, you know the drill. Let's go. Well, I already went ahead and sprinkled our roast with my caramelized onion burger mix, my garlic salt, and pepper. And I think I said about a tablespoon of pepper last time. I meant a teaspoon. And pick up our roast. Already put my onions in the bottom of the crock pot. Set the roast on top of that. Pour in the Dr. Pepper. And this is going to go on crockpot setting of low for the next 6 to 8 hours. And once it's done, it'll be easily shreddable, falling apart, sort of awesome. Like that. So we're going to get some of this out. And I'm going to assemble a sandwich that I'll show you. The pork out. It pulled apart very nicely. Also took some of the sauce and thickened it up and put it in almost like barbecue. And now we'll be putting it onto the sandwich. Okay, I've made some pulled pork sandwiches with coleslaw for myself, but I'm also going to try it alone. This is our Dr. Pepper pulled pork. I put a little bit of barbecue sauce from the sauce on it, or the stuff I cooked it in to make it moist still. It pulled apart amazingly. So the fun part's here. Let's try it. Well, this is probably some of the tenderest pulled pork I've ever eaten. I think the soda probably did that. I love the sweet flavor that's left over from the Dr. Pepper. It's hard to explain, but there is one, like a lingering flavor, but it's not really strong. I tried it on a sandwich with some of the barbecue sauce, aka the sauce left behind, and some coleslaw, and it is still amazing there. I was almost worried that without the savory part of it as much, it would be too sweet for a sandwich, but I was wrong. It's still amazing. This was so simple to put together. I did a lot of stuff around the house today and just let it cook on low. It tastes amazing. So, if you like what you saw, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. I'm going to go finish my dinner and see you in the next one.